Welcome to AeroAuto Adventures. Today, we're stepping into the future with one of the most advanced robots in the world, Boston Dynamics Spot. This four-legged robot has taken the tech world by storm, but is it truly a game changer or just an expensive novelty? Let's find out. Spot is not just any robot. It's an autonomous, highly agile machine equipped with 360-degree cameras, advanced sensors, and AI-powered navigation. It can walk, climb stairs, carry loads, and even perform tasks in dangerous environments where humans cannot go. Let's start with its key features. First up, Spot's mobility. Unlike traditional robots, Spot moves with a fluid, lifelike grace. Whether it's navigating rugged terrain or climbing steep stairs, this robot does it all. And what's truly fascinating is its ability to recover balance. Push it and it gets right back up. Spot is already making waves in various industries. It's used in construction to inspect hazardous areas, in oil and gas fields for monitoring equipment, and even in search and rescue missions during natural disasters. Imagine the possibilities. A robot that can go where humans can't, making dangerous tasks safer and more efficient. But Spot isn't limited to industrial uses. With its modular design, you can add tools and accessories like cameras, sensors, or even robotic arms to expand its capabilities. For example, it can be programmed to map out a space or deliver items in an office. The potential applications are endless. Now, let's talk about the fun part: Spot's entertainment value. Did you know it can dance? Yes, Spot's dynamic movements have been programmed to perform synchronized dances. It's both mesmerizing and slightly eerie to watch. Of course, no technology is without its drawbacks. Spot comes with a hefty price tag, around $75,000. It's not exactly affordable for most people. Additionally, while its battery life is decent, lasting about 90 minutes on a full charge, it still limits its operational time in larger-scale projects. So, is Spot truly the robot of the future? For industries that require precision and safety in challenging environments, the answer is a resounding yes. But for everyday consumers, it might still be a long way off from becoming a household staple. What do you think? Is Spot a revolutionary step forward or just a really cool piece of tech? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AeroAuto Adventures, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on cutting-edge technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.